Come on, let's just go another way.
No, Dave. I need to go down here. See my nan.
Hold her in my arms one last time.
Well, I want you to know that this isn't my decision. This isn't my choice. I'm gonna fight this cat. With you. Get after my coat.
Dave.
David!
Are you okay?
What's that? You can't go on?
You want me to fight this cat? Okay. Well, I better fight this cat.
Dan, eat up the cat so you can see your nan.
Dan, are you alright? You've been asleep for what is possibly a full month. I've been feeding you soup.
It's cold!
I know.
Did they ever have the strangest dream?
Dan, I don't give a shit. Dan, what's your problem?
Sorry. It's just that I had the most heart...
Dan, you just killed my cat!
I know. I know.